Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to check for updates on the following device, and also let me show you how to check the current version of your system. So all you need to do is just find the settings. Here let's scroll down and choose System. Choose here System Update. The device is checking the update, and as you can see, in my case my system is up to date. Here I have my current version. Here you've got the information about EMUI and about the exact version. You can also go back. Here you can use more key and choose download latest full package if there is a new one. You can also use the update settings, and here for example use auto download over Wi-Fi, or you can enable or disable this feature. And you can also here update your device overnight. So sometimes it's really useful to update your phone overnight. So let me just enable this feature. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.